Hey guys, this is my tip on how to check to see if your spindle shaft, your feathering shaft is bent. I used to take it all apart and I'd roll my feather shaft around to see if it was bent. But there's an easier way. All you have to do, pull one blade, take a screwdriver, put on the spindle screw and turn it, and if your spindle's bent, you're going to get a wobble on the other blade grip. This thing is really bent. Who's been flying my heli? If it's not bent, then it would spin true and you wouldn't see this wobble. Looks like it's time to change the spindle. And that's it. The spindle's changed. And we spin the spindle screw, as you can see. No more wobble. Time to go fly. That is my tip for the easy way to check to see if your spindle, feathering shaft is bent. Hope it saves you some time. Thanks for watching.